Good morning, dear children. How are you? All are fine? Okay. In the last class, we discussed about our national symbols. Which are our national symbols? National flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national animal, national bird and national flower. Last class we discussed about national emblem and national anthem. Today we can study national song. Vande Mataram is our national song. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is our national song? Vande Mataram. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next is national animal. We all know that tiger is our national animal. The tiger is a symbol for power. Peacock is our national bird. It is a beautiful bird with colorful feathers. The peacock spreads out its colorful feathers while dancing. Lotus is our national flower. It grows in ponds and lakes. It is pink in color. Its leaves float on water. Which is our national song? Vande Mataram. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is our national animal? Tiger. National bird? Peacock. National flower? Lotus. Next, our national festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over India. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ എല്ലാവരും ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത്. അതായത് നമ്മൾ കുറെ റിലീജിയസ് ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ഉണ്ട്, അത് ഓരോ മതത്തിലുള്ളവർ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് അങ്ങനെയല്ല, ഇന്ത്യക്കാർ മുഴുവൻ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത്. ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ, റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ഡേ ആൻഡ് ഗാന്ധി ജയന്തി ആർ അവർ നാഷണൽ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ്. വിച്ച് ആർ അവർ നാഷണൽ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ്? Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. The national flag is hoisted in many parts of the country. We salute the national flag. We also sing national anthem. We raise our right hand and say Jai Hind, which means long live India. What is means Jai Hind? Long live India. We pin the national flag of our dress. നമ്മൾ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ അന്നൊക്കെ സ്കൂളിലൊക്കെ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ ഷർട്ടിലൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ നാഷണൽ ഫ്ലാഗ് പിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് പോവുകയല്ലോ. ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ. India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. When India got independent? 15th August 1947. So every year we celebrate 15th August as Independence Day. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag in New Delhi on Independence Day. Independence Day എന്ന Prime Minister New Delhiയിലെ national flag hoist ചെയ്യും. When we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. Which year India got independent? 1947. Republic Day. On 26th January 1950, India became a republic. So, every year we celebrate 26th January as Republic Day. When we celebrate Republic Day? 26th January. On this day, the President hoists the national flag in New Delhi. Republic Day എന്ന പ്രസിഡന്റ് ആ ഫ്ലാഗ് ഹോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. A grand Republic Day parade takes place in New Delhi. Bravery awards are given to children. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ധീരതയ്ക്കുള്ള അവാർഡൊക്കെ റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ഡേയുടെ അന്ന് അവിടുത്തെ പരേഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിയുമ്പോഴാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was a great national leader who fought for the freedom of our nation. His birthday falls on 2nd October. Every year we celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Birthday of Gandhiji is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It's on October 2nd. When we celebrate Independence Day, 15th August. Republic Day, 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Then we can discuss the exercise portion. Page 128. Choose the correct answer. Our national flag has dash colors. 3 colors. The middle band of the national flag is dash. White. The Ashoka Chakra has dash spokes. 24. The bottom band of the flag is green. Our national emblem has dash lions. 4 lions. Page number 129. Our national anthem was written by who wrote? Rabindranath Tagore. Our national song is which one? Vande Mataram. Dash is our national animal. Tiger. Dash is our national bird. Peacock. Dash is our national flower. Lotus. Page number 131. During dash festivals, the national flag hoisted. During national festivals, we celebrate 15th August as Dash Day, Independence Day. Bravery awards are given to children on Republic Day. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is on 2nd October. Match the following is homework. Then here tick the correct answer, page number 132. The color of the chakra in our national flag is blue and it stands for progress. Our national emblem has 4 lions. Our national song was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The tiger stands for power. Every year we celebrate Dash Republic as Republic Day. 26th January as Republic Day. True or false? The white color in the national flag stands for purity. True. The national flag is printed on currency notes and coins. False. We can sit while singing national anthem. False. Jai Hind means long live India. True. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. True. I will send the note. All of you study well. Next class, you have TP of this lesson. Thank you.